Are you looking for the best dog foods? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best dog foods on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Open Farm Grass-Fed Beef and Ancient Grains. Rarely do the words ethically sourced and dog food appear in the same sentence, but Open Farm changes that. The Canadian-based company is committed to sourcing ethical, sustainable, and traceable ingredients, including humanely raised meat, fish, and poultry, which has 2 major benefits. It ensures that pups are getting the best nutrition and lessens negative impacts on the environment. Open Farm kibbles are also free of chemicals, artificial preservatives, and cheap fillers. Acres also likes the brand's easy-to-digest carbohydrates, which she says are ideal for dogs with sensitive stomachs or who are senior. The brand also has grain-free recipes and a wholesome puppy formula for new 4-legged additions. What our editors say. Karen Tejan, Senior Updates Editor for Forbes Vetted, shares. We've been feeding my dog Open Farm for years, and we've stuck with this brand because company uses quality, traceable ingredients, and low-quality ingredients is a huge problem in the pet food industry. She is 9 years old and quite healthy, and while we supplement her diet with real foods, I feel good knowing she's eating nutritious kibble. I always recommend it to friends, too. Overall, I think it's a great option for those who don't have the time or budget to feed their dogs raw. Number 2. Merrick Limited Ingredient Recipe. Dr. Nick Horniman, MRCVS, a veterinary surgeon based in the UK and the founder of online pet pharmacy My Pet's Vet, explains, a lot of pups are allergic or intolerant to poultry such as chicken and turkey. For this reason, he recommends Merrick's grain-free salmon and sweet potato recipe, adding, it is perfect for dogs with sensitive stomachs. Real deboned salmon tops the natural ingredients list, which is also free from soy, corn, wheat, dairy, eggs, and any artificial additives. Plus, it's suitable for adult dogs of all sizes, but make sure to consult the feeding chart for the best proportions. Number 3. Stella and Chewy's Stellas. Both Aiken and Acres say that freeze-dried raw foods, which are much less processed than kibbles, can be very beneficial to a dog's diet. One of Acres' favorites is Stella and Chewy's Super Beef Dinner Patties. This recipe includes multiple organ meats such as the liver, kidney, heart, tripe, and bone. These are important nutrient-dense ingredients full of vitamin A, magnesium, and the whole B vitamin complex, she says. Plus, Acres says this pick is suitable for pups with food sensitivities. The brand is also great at separating proteins. This means they don't mix chicken livers into their beef recipes and vice versa, she explains. What our editors say. Brenda Eyre, Forbes Vetted's executive managing editor and mom to a boxer mix, shares. I like to mix up our dog's dinner from time to time with the Stella and Chewy Super Beef Dinner Patties. I take about half of a patty and crumble it up over George's kibble, and he goes absolutely wild. The first 5 ingredients of these medallions are pure beef meat and organs, then assorted produce like pumpkin, broccoli, beets, and blueberries, so I know George is getting a full slate of nutrition without any weird stuff. Ayers also offers a helpful pro tip if you're traveling with your pup. The pucks, which are very lightweight, can be crumbled up to use as higher value treats in between meals. Number 4. Nulo Freestyle Puppy Grain-Free Recipe. Horniman recommends Nulo's puppy formula, which includes at least 80% animal-based protein from real salmon or turkey. The formula includes fruits and vegetables such as carrots, blueberries, and apples, which can make a huge difference when it comes to supporting your puppy's growth and development, he says. The formula also contains several key fatty acids that help support the development of your puppy's brain and eyes. In addition to being grain-free, the Freestyle Puppy formula is also free from poultry and egg in case your pup has sensitivities or allergies. Number 5. Open Farm Grain-Free Senior Dry Dog Food. For senior dogs, I look for a kibble that is a bit easier to digest. Older dogs don't make as many digestive enzymes as younger dogs, Acres shares. One brand that fits her criteria is Open Farm, whose formulas, like this grain-free one formulated especially for seniors, contains easy-to-digest carbohydrates balanced with a variety of animal proteins. It's also full of 2 types of fatty acids that help with senior dogs' mobility and joint health, as well as several vitamins that support digestion.